Hi, I'm Eric with HandyMan Matters. Swamp coolers are a very popular thing here in Colorado because of the drier climates. But as opposed to an air conditioner, there are some additional things you need to do to winterize it before the freezing weather comes. Turn off the pump and the fan. The next step is to turn the water off to the swamp cooler. To winterize your swamp cooler, these are the things you're going to need. A set of pliers, and wrench, and a cooler cover. And that should be all you need. Okay, and we're ready to go up on the roof. A few things to keep in mind when you're getting ready to go up a ladder. One is appropriate footwear. You're going to want to wear tennis shoes or boots. Don't wear flip-flops, bare feet, or any shoes that have a smooth surface on the bottom. Also, carry up any materials you're going to use one at a time so that way you're not overloaded. And any smaller tools that you have, just slide those in your pockets and you're ready to go. When setting up your ladder on a house like this, a bi-level, you can extend the ladder past the roof line like we have. Makes it very simple to step off onto the roof, and the ladder is very stable. If you have a house that only has a single roof line, set the ladder up so the top of the ladder is extending about a foot past the gutter. It's a good practice to have someone at the bottom of the ladder holding it while you climb up. I personally like to step over the top rung of the ladder when I'm getting onto a single-story roof, as opposed to trying to swing my body around the side of the ladder. Let's go up and get to work. Now that the water and the power has been turned off, let's open up the swamp cooler. Lift up the clips and pull off the panel where your pump, float, and the drain is all located. When you open up the swamp cooler, a couple of things you'll want to take notice of and keep in mind for later reference. One, how clean is the water and how does the bottom of the swamp cooler look? Check your pads so that way you will know if you need to change them when it comes time to start it up in the summer. Now, it's good to always have either the pliers or the wrench because you're not sure exactly what's going to fit, because each of these drains is going to be a little bit different in size. So have both so that way you don't have to climb up and down the ladder. Top of your drain plug and adjust your wrench to fit. Then it's just a matter of loosening it up and letting the water drain out. Once the swamp cooler is completely drained, put the panel back on and clip it back in place. Now we're ready to put the cover over it. Open the cover up completely. And slide it over the swamp cooler. Pull the cover down completely around the base of the swamp cooler. And then at one of the corners, you'll find a drawstring. There should be one from each side. And what you're going to want to do is pull this as tight as possible and then tie it off. And then your swamp cooler is ready to go through the winter. If you have an older swamp cooler cover that does not have a drawstring on the bottom, just take a piece of nylon rope, wrap the bottom of the swamp cooler cover, and then tie it off that way. And that's all there is to it. This and all took us about 45 minutes to do. Certainly a job you can handle yourself, but if not, HandyMan Matters is there to give you a hand.
At HandyMan Matters, we're always available to help you with all of your home improvement and home repair projects, large or small. If it matters to you, it matters to us at HandyMan Matters.